Hello, welcome to the woods. We're going to take a look at a work of art right now. It'll be right about here, and it is called Melancholia 1 by the Renaissance artist Albrecht Drurer from the early 1500s. Now, a lot going on in this work of art. You can see an interesting polyhedron. The angelic figures in it seem to be doing something scholastic. You can see a compass in one of their hands, another one seems to be writing something in a book. Seems very sad. Anyway, in the background on the wall, there's something that is called a magic square. This particular magic square is a 4x4. And this magic square, all magic squares have to have all the numbers in them, however many squares that actually has. Well, so this one had to have 1 through 16. Well, there's an interesting pattern that happens with this thing. And we want to put it over here so you can see the magic square bigger. And because the numbers are very hard to make out on this one, we're going to superimpose them like so. And now you can take a look at what is there. And I'm just going to sit here and look with you, see what you notice. Now, if nothing is coming to mind, consider kind of looking row by row or column by column and doing a bit of arithmetic. In particular, adding. Now, if you look around like at the four corners or any diagonal, any little square of 4 units, up in the corner, all 4 of those. What about the middle ones too? The middle 4. Is it true that every single pattern that you can find on this, they always give you the same sum? Yeah. Be interesting to try to find a pattern that you can find in here where you don't find that sum. That would be an interesting task. Well, your task is going to be to make a magic square also. It's not going to have to be as complicated as this one, because yours is going to be a 3x3. Okay, so that's the assignment. Make a 3x3 magic square. I'm going to help you out, though, with that by analyzing this number that we find here over and over again, this 34. You see, with all the numbers from 1 through 16, the average number is going to be, think about the 1 and the 16, they add up to 17 for an average of 8.5. The 2 and the 15, same thing. The 3 and the 14, same thing. There are 8 pairs that add up to 17. So the average value is 8.5. And 4 8.5s is 34. So when you build your magic square, note that you're going to have, because you're doing a 3x3, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All the numbers 1 through 9 have to be in your magic square. And every row and every column and every diagonal has to add up to the same amount. Find out if the corners do too. That'll be interesting. All right, so that's the assignment. You can write it up and you can just put that right in the chat. So you can take a picture of it or you can just type the numbers. So have fun and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.